Good day everyone, welcome back to North's Dope, and today we're taking a look at this brand new product from Baseus. This is a Baseus 15W wireless phone charger for your car. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. Do I need my nifty knife? I don't know if I need my nifty knife, but hey, let's see. Alright, quick little cut, nothing crazy. Alright. Toss that to the side. Baseus always has nice packaging. Like even this has a feel to it almost. If you look carefully, you could even see the Baseus B right here, and it has a nice little texture to it. So Baseus, always A+ on the packaging. All right, sliding this out, put that to the side. Little booklet. You have, I guess it shows the different phone sizes. I don't know why I need to know that for, but all right. You also have tons of packaging information. You have a magnetic, who's a backing for your, let's say if you have like a phone case that does not have a magnetic backing, you could easily use that to attach to your phone, I guess. What else we have? I like to unbox all of the unimportant stuff first. Leave the main part of the piece for last. So I'm assuming this is the wire harness or the USB-C charging cable. So you have USB-C to USB-A charging cable. So this does recharge via USB-C, right? I have tons of these, so never going to use this probably. And here's the main part of the piece, your wireless charger. And this is a unit. Oh my God. This is actually a nice little hefty device right here. So how this works is you turn this and this arm extends. This arm hooks into your vent, and then you turn it and you lock it, and then this locks onto your vent, keeping it nice and secure, right? It has a USB-C port right here, so obviously the USB-C cable that they gave you is going to plug in right under here, keeping you nice and juiced. All right. Neck is adjustable. I believe the neck is adjustable. Yes, the neck is adjustable. It is a ball neck, but it's extremely stiff, so it does have a nice feel to it, a nice amount of tension to it, right? And then you have your power button on top of it. But what's great about this particular unit, why I decided to get this for, is for a few reasons. Number one, I live in the nice sunny state of California. And if you are charging your phone on a nice sunny day and the sun is shining onto your phone as it's charging, it could overheat, or you could get a heat warning, especially if it's charging. This has a fan inside of it that sucks the air, the hot air off of the charging area, which in theory should actually keep your phone nice and cool as you're actually charging it up. So the fact that it's vent mounted and does also fast charge your phone, but also keeps your phone nice and cool as you're recharging, this makes this an A+ for me. So this will be quickly installed into my vehicle, and I would plan to be using this on a regular because I do like to keep my phone nice and juiced as I'm moving around. And as I said, the good part about this, because the ball joint is so stiff, whenever you have it mounted on, it's going to stay locked into place. And let me just peel this off so you can see what the face looks like. Bada bing, bada bow. This is what the face looks like. Nice gloss look to it, so it's going to have a nice little high-tech look to it. What I might do, I don't know if I might include it in this video. I might just install this like in my car so you could see what this looks like. And I'll probably splice that video into the actual rest of this clip. This was just a quick unboxing video so you could see how this product looks like, how it's supposed to work. It mounts onto your vent, it locks into place, charges via USB-C. You simply have to put your MagSafe-compatible phone right here. So once you put your MagSafe-compatible phone there, it's going to begin to recharge. Once the device gets hot, the fan is going to kick on, sucking the heat off of your actual phone as the phone is being recharged, keeping your phone nice and cool and not doing any damage to your phone. So again, another great product from Baseus. This is a Baseus 15-watt wireless charger for your car that keeps your phone nice and cool as it recharges. You gotta admit, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Until next time, see you guys.